Tell me what you say. Chai! And the crazy and the maga, I want to go. My madness has stopped.
I don't care. Follow you sing.
I don't care.
You know, it's in a reggae blues, you understand?
Chai.
This one I old at the song.
Chai.
No, I need to add the song, sing the sweet music.
No, you don't. Colombo. Colombo.
I'm not moved by such songs.
When
enough.
Baby, Colombo.
When I begin follow at the song.
I do like that.
Man, don't take out to the days when they sing live band. In first hit, then be I'm in love.
When you get one time when you sing Taye Kende now.
You know that song. That now before Taye Kende na new song.
I know I'm in love now. But I'm not moved. Funny enough, I don't like give you.
I'm in love with everything.
I never
really
I never really begin to feel them so far for 5-star.
Are you sure?
No, I know they feel Skibby.
No, Skibby still young now. Skibby first song.
Skibby young
only one song sample.
No, I say sample. You don't sing one song before sample. Wait, future Casey and
meanwhile, you go to the industry nights. How was Skibby's industry after the death?
It was okay.
I watch your interview now where you say you're supposed to be the 5th 5-star.
Yes, now because they do mistakes there. They call it 5-star music and 3 stars they did.
4.
Skibby.
No, they get some way they want born.
Addison and Casey. And then let Imon way can't get the money. Come become the 4th star, which is the biggest star.
Manager
Then he has been suspended.
He's sacked.
Understand? He has been suspended.
So you want to what?
No, he's not sacked.
They finally came and said they sacked him.
No, they didn't sack him.
People just like to. I'm not even concerned about
he's suspended. He will come back. There are people that are still talking to me.
Yes, we don't follow you. I know how we do the things regularly for here. We don't follow in. If you don't see these 3 musketeers when you come, your TV set, you know, say, now to concern you, all the church and things them where they make your night days very smooth.
Oh, there's no money. There's no money in the country right now. I'm not happy. I'm not. There's no
so
money.
make I no talk.
Ogo, hold on.
Because there's no money.
Hold on. As I call him, and I now remember, who this about for Adwikiti?
No. Where die? Oni
of Ife. You know, say...
It don't take now.
It don't take now, but other things come to arise, which really shocked me.
Okay, like which one?
You know, say before na 9 liege, now they take replace Oba. You don't reach your family and then your turn, or maybe...
No, not they again,
no. So how do they put new Oba now?
Most times now, they buy them.
Now, like this now, you have to buy form, like party.
You serious?
I'm telling you.
They first put the form, 50,000. People buy. So they can't increase that to 100.
Yeah,
people buy. So 150. So the thing can cause confusion. This is like a week or 2 weeks ago. I just remember that now. I just try to imagine.
Suppose they reach 1 million.
Make they begin sell form. Yeah, so now, why they not say make people make PDP bring candidates, make APC bring candidates?
But in the end, I see them. Now you go say bring.
I beg you.
In the end.
I beg you. When I don't see them, now your night's tonic. And matter we want to talk about today, I don't need to introduce my men them when I don't see them. Showman and MC Shakara. We're always here to send you all your church and things them. We consign BOBOS and BOBOS. Now, matter we want to talk about today, we don't talk about them before. And we promise when I say we go bring and come talk about them again today. Because say plenty people don't come talk, say they want make we talk about this matter again. Now, we talk about this matter, say, if you get partner way to the gun body when una COMOT, now good thing. Dana, WETIN won't talk about again today because a lot of people don't really understand that first one we'll talk about, we'll say we really carry and COMOT.
God will bless us to bring back something. I remember very well that day where they argue with this fowl. You understand? Native fowl for that matter. Say it's love. It's a very huge way of showing undiluted affection.
How come you are very known to know how love they when get a gun body, but you no go accept that make get gun your body?
Why?
How come?
Why? Who told you?
How many girls they follow you? How many girls they follow you go where they go?
This weekend, and she was
what
very
did you call
close.
her? Guest.
Yes.
And we know what you mean an important guest. I mean,
if I can allow my guest to be very close to me like that, chingomi.
Because you know, let me tell you,
my girl.
Let me tell you,
I want
you
to clear
clearly know that your guest has a time limit. time frame. Say you are here on Friday, you have to go on Sunday. Shakara, you do and you can't. I mean, anyway they go, you must carry and go.
Now make I like his Daniel talk one thing. People say, I'm not ashamed to show you off.
Baby show
you understand?
Wait, what are you trying to paint now?
No, that is to say if you really love your woman,
obviously,
if truly you love her, there will be no time when we say she go irritate you. Say,
no, it's not irritation.
That's the language you guys are hiding.
No.
Yes, now.
Why did that you I know. You I know.
Irritation.
We are talking about
irritation.
We are talking about get the police.
For you to say no good, the other word now be say something wey no good na wetin I don't know whether you understand.
In this life, when anything too much, when anything dey over,
it's bad.
It's bad. I know people, and I told you for example.
How can your wife love you too much? How can she gum you too much?
No, but the sign of gumming body does not show love.
It's love.
It's not. No.
It gets where you know
wife or your girlfriend.
You know say when we dey talk about this gum body now, women specifically have issues when it comes to trust. Now, when you don't dey gum body too much, now you go dey put time for who they call her, who they text her, who in dey follow the chat, who in dey follow the
like
one, who be this guy,
Shakara,
who be this one.
Like me, I did very good at me naturally. I'm coming, I did very good at touching, understand? I feel just see person now, understand? I like to always one touch, not today my mind. I love to cuddle. Now, if I can't do am now, maybe you know say even I'm coming, no cut me. Even person way love to cuddle. If you do with a shower, you go on the cuddle am. Now as I go on, they feel say, oh boy, this boy love me. Now lie. The fact say it's just the person's nature. So person when they won't follow you every minute where they go somewhere, he go to tell you say, baby, right now I want to go and pee. Baby, I'm in the market. Baby, we're writing exams. All those every minute for what? That is too much.
If you are tired of hearing from your girlfriend
it's
or your wife,
hearing.
Let me tell you, they come. I think they take them from any angle that they take them from. Even the one where this guy talks say, one is on the gun body too much. That time they want to know everything. See, the more your babe they close to you, the more she know waiting day. She not even ask. She not even check your phone.
No, but do you know that especially if they close to you?
No,
Shakara. So wait, girlfriends or wives or partners, when do they live for the same country? Are they not in love? Don't they know themselves?
They do.
So you mean your girl must be here with you? Why is she not here with you inside this bar?
When there's
why is your girl not here with you inside the bar?
That na condition say that one no day. It's just be like person wey no get one hand. You know they do wetin person wey get two hand they do.
No, they do.
What are you? What's wrong
with this guy? You no fit hold Bobby one for one side.
No say this boy no get sense.
You can't be comparing some people. You get what I'm saying? Wait.
Anything person wey get two hand they do.
Not lie.
Okay,
yeah, lie.
Hold Bobby for one side.
Hold Bobby for one hand. They use one hand do another thing.
No, why not? You have to if they carry you, choke you for nipple. No be joke. Person wey get one. Well, no. We dey talk seriously. I don't want us to talk rubbish now.
Because your example no make sense.
It makes sense.
It don't make sense. Do you know what this is? You know what this? Okay, imagine this now, Bobby. Forget Bobby.
People here like this. Use this hand.
How? What do you want to do?
That get no crazy.
He cannot. Let me tell you, Shakara. I know where they come from. See, that sign of somebody, gummy person. Most times, girls they see him. I say the guy. From the girl side, they say as love.
Other people will see. Let me tell you. If
some girls don't say as love. Some girls they say critically as you are choking me.
And the girl will carry you overshine itself.
You are choking me.
When they say you cannot do without them. In this life, never you live your life without. You know what it means that your mother, when they give you, they breastfeed you.
Say a girl I'm in love with choke me. Or a girl.
No.
I'm saying love can choke.
Love can choke.
Me now.
Shakara, love can choke you.
This girl claim to be my girl.
Yes.
Go. We are getting married. Then he can't get 1 minute where she imagine say, or she think can.
Shakara, one quick one.
She's not my wife.
Listen, wait.
I swear to God.
Wait.
That moment when she even think can. Say I dey choke her. Or maybe I come my office. Watch you. See the word self. your way you get the work, you can't go there with her. So go see her, you understand? Then she called, they say you can't disturb her for
But
work.
why we knew?
Calm down,
Why we
Shakara.
knew?
Wait.
Why we knew?
See, Shakara, wait till we dey talk now. Say if this thing now don't turn to daily basis, every day,
When you come
Monday
back,
to Friday,
when you come back,
Monday
that's
to
exactly
Friday,
where you talk
Monday
now.
to Friday.
We go ask you if your girl they come every day.
Every day they come this.
Hold on, hold on,
It can't be every
hold on,
day,
hold
sir.
on, hold
Let
on.
me can say no
Hold
be
on, it
Nigeria
cannot be
thing.
every day.
I don't let's talk.
No, who tell you?
It can't be every day.
It can't
Who
be
tell
every
you
day.
say it can be
Can
every
be every
day?
day.
Your girl cannot
Maybe
be-
do I go for see this boy
Can be
pursue
every
them
day.
anyway. Can
It
I
cannot
go
be
for
every
see
day.
that?
That
Overgoing,
Don't tell me that.
overgoing,
What do you mean by
overgoing.
own every day?
So she no get any
No, say
work for
it
this
don't
life.
mad. It don't
What do
make
you
sense.
mean by own every day?
You get it, what do you-
Can I go for
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done it.